Give me more. Did she pull off the nipple?
She did.
Oh my goodness.
She stuck it in her mouth.
So she's trying to eat it.
I think so.
Hey, eat that. Come on, girl. I got her.
Oh, put it.
T-shirt B, look at it, there it is. Born October of 2010. So, a year and a half old. Wait a minute, girl. Oh, little girlie. Isn't that funny?